But moving on, all court cases are complicated, but when it comes to the grey areas of international legislation, it becomes even more difficult. This time, it is the future of Tejas that hangs in the balance as his parents fight for his custody and the courts debate jurisdiction.
He wants to live with mother, return to the U.S., and return to his school, St. Hubert's, back to his life, his faith community, his friends, his family.
Malini Bayana's plea on behalf of her 9-year-old son Tejas, who she saw last in Hyderabad in October 2009. 5 months later, the Supreme Court of India will decide if she can get him back. Malini, a Chicago-based Indian American, had brought Tejas to Hyderabad to visit his father Vikramakula, the multi-billionaire entrepreneur who founded SKS Microfinance. Vikram and Malini had divorced in 2001. During this visit in Hyderabad, Malini alleges Vikram abducted Tejas. Malini and Vikram are fighting a dual custody battle. One in the Illinois court that has favoured Malini's custody plea. The other in a Hyderabad court that has granted Vikram custody. On Friday, the Supreme Court of India will decide which judgment should prevail.
It's a hearing again to determine as to whether based on all the facts and allegations, whether Illinois retains proper jurisdiction. And our feeling is it does, as there were cases pending in court at the time that papers were filed here in India.
Whatever decision the apex court comes to, the next step remains to be seen. There are appeals available to Malini Bayana, but they may not be very helpful. The larger question is of a complicated jurisdiction in cases which not only pitch parent against parent, but also US courts against Indian courts. But right now, the focus should be on young Tejas and what happens to him next. In New Delhi, Kajori Sen, NDTV.
Tuba.com